Senator Soto?
Mr. President, somehow parallel to what you're discussing, perhaps we could consider, no, and I would like to call the attention of the original proponent of this position, Senator Alan Cayetano, who was former Speaker of the House, to adhere to the Supreme Court decision upon its final disposition. In meantime, table or archive upon whatever your pleasure would be. At least, maliwanag sa atin na upon its final disposition, na may motion for reconsideration. We're still giving that chance of a motion for reconsideration.
If I may, Your Honor, if you will indulge me. If I may state the working motion to adhere to the July 25, 2025 decision of the Supreme Court declaring the Articles of Impeachment null and void ab initio, and that the Senate did not acquire jurisdiction over the same. We can stop there. And then, as I said, after the vote becomes final, on Monday or Tuesday, if no one will seek a reconsideration, to archive it. If there is no change, then it remains in the archives and nothing needs to be done. If the Supreme Court reverses itself, however possible or impossible that may be, then we will entertain a motion to bring it out of the archives. Bring it out of the archives and act accordingly again in obedience to the Supreme Court decision. So,
ang problema, Mr. President, when we say that the Senate has not acquired jurisdiction, masang-ayon tayo sa sinasabi ng Supreme Court decision nilang ito na maraming nagsasabi na hindi tama. Dahil tinawag nyo to ng June 9 nag-oath ang Senate President. Nag-oath yung iba ng June 10, nag-motion, nag-robe pa nga Hindi naman pwedeng pampelikula lang yun, pan-TV lang yung robe na yun. You convened. So hindi pwedeng sabihin ng Supreme Court that you never acquired jurisdiction. February 5, 4:15 p.m., the Senate President's Office and the Senate Secretariat received the Articles of Impeachment.
I'm sorry, Minority Leader. Legally, when you say the Senate never acquired jurisdiction, it does not deny the fact that we convened. That is a totally different matter. It says that since the Articles of Impeachment violated the one-year ban, that we never supposedly acquired jurisdiction. Not that we never did when it was not yet barred by the Supreme Court. That factual situation still exists and is part of our records. As I said, that's why the better alternative is to archive it, because it was part of what actually happened, transpired, and it's part of the Senate's history. But having said that, without belaboring the point, if agreement cannot be reached, then we can proceed to dispose of the motion of Senator Soto, our distinguished Minority Floor Leader, to lay the motion of Senator Marcoleta on the table, and depending on the outcome of that vote, should it not be favorable to the movant, then we proceed to act on the motion of Senator Marcoleta. If it is favorable to the movant, the distinguished Minority Floor Leader, then there is no need to proceed with the motion of Senator Marcoleta. Senator Lacson.
Mr. President, we have to determine first if Senator Marcoleta has legal standing in filing his motion to dismiss.
He will amend this motion later. We will first decide on the motion.
So there's amendment to the motion.
Yes. And then let's hear his motion, Your Honor.
Yes.